Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the Quick Assist screen sharing problem on Windows 11. If Quick Assist is not sharing your screen properly, follow these simple steps. First, open the Windows settings. Now click on Apps from the left side. Next, select Installed Apps. In the search box, type Quick Assist. You will see the Quick Assist application in the list. Click the three dots next to Quick Assist and then select Advanced Options. Now we will try a few options to repair the application. First, click Terminate. This will completely close Quick Assist and stop any background process related to the app. After that, look for the Repair option and click it. Wait a few moments while Windows repairs the Quick Assist application. When the repair is finished, open Quick Assist again and check if screen sharing is working correctly. If the problem is still there, return to the same Advanced Options page. This time, click Reset. Windows will reset Quick Assist and clear its application data. After the reset is complete, open Quick Assist again and test the screen sharing feature. If the screen sharing problem still continues, the next step is to check for Windows updates. Go back to Settings and click Windows Update. Now click Check for Updates. If Windows finds any available updates, install them and wait until the process is completed. Finally, restart your computer. After restarting, open Quick Assist again and check the screen sharing feature. In most cases, repairing or resetting the app and keeping Windows updated can help resolve Quick Assist problems. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the Quick Assist screen sharing problem, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more Windows tutorials.